There is a place prepared for you, and Jesus Himself is leading you there. In the Gospel, Jesus gently says, "Do not let your hearts be troubled." He knows our fears. He sees the worries we carry, especially when life feels uncertain, when the future is unclear, and even when we think about death. But listen to His promise. In my Father's house, there are many rooms. I go to prepare a place for you. This is not just about heaven far away. This is about a home where you are wanted, where you belong, where you are loved forever. And then Jesus tells us the way. I am the way, the truth, and the life. He does not give us directions. He gives us Himself. So today, hold on to Him. Even if life feels heavy, even if you feel lost, stay close to Jesus. Because if you walk with Him, you are already on the way home. Amen.